Hi guys, Jay Hatch here, your sales consultant at Whitby Mazda, and today I'm going to show you the different accessory modes in a Mazda with a push button start so you can get things done on your Mazda without starting the engine.
Zoom.
So guys, today I'm sitting in a 2018 Mazda 3. Any Mazda with a push button start is going to operate the same way. Now you know that if you put your foot down on the brake pedal and hit the push button start, it's going to start up the whole car with the engine. Did you know that if you just press it once, it's going to start up accessory power only for the screen? And not only that, but I can also go and put on the stereo. So let's say you got a friend or family member, maybe they're in the store buying you a chocolate bar and you're hanging out in the car, it's not too cold, you listen to some tunes. I can also go and access everything else on here. I can go through settings, mess around with the settings to confuse them when they get back in the car. I can go to navigation if you've got that equipped, check out a few things on there. Did you know that if you push the button a second time, again, no foot on the brake pedal, it's going to light up everything else in the vehicle. So now I've got access to turning on the fan. Obviously, we're not going to get too much hot air without the engine running. I've also got access to the heated seats, so I can turn those on and I get warm. And I can also go through here and I can go through different, cycle through the fuel economy screens, you know, have a look through there. Another cool feature about this is, let's say the heated seats were off. You shut your car off and then you remember, oh, you know what? I want my heated seats on as soon as I get in the car. You just hit the button twice, put on those heated seats, shut it off. The next time you start up your car, the heated seats are going to come back on because it remembers you had them on when you shut the car off last. Anyways, that's today's quick tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Just another way you can get a few things done without turning on the engine and off again and running fuel and whatnot. I'll be doing another video for you guys real soon. I hope you're having fun with these videos. I enjoy making them. Keep zooming, and I'll see you at the dealership real soon.